Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we got wholesome new problem which says the mean and the variance of a binomial distribution are 4 and 2 respectively. So, mean is 4, variance is 2. As you know that mean means what? NP. It is binomial distribution, na? So in binomial distribution we have studied that the value of mean is NP and the variance is NPQ. Okay, so it is 2. You know that the value of NP is 4. So can I say that Q will become 2 by NP, means 2 by 4, that is 1 by 2. So Q means what? Like it is failure, probability of failure. So the value of P will become what? It is 1 minus failure, 1 minus 1 by 2, that is 1 by 2. So the probability of success is 1 by 2, probability of failure is 1 by 2. Now you have to find out what is N. So you know that the value of P is 1 by 2, it is 4. So can I say that N is 8? So N is 8, P is 1 by 2, Q is 1 by 2. Now we have all the necessary information. Now what we have to do? We have to find out the probability of 2 successes is. So can I go with NC2, success to the power 2, failure to the power n minus 2, which is N is what? 8. So 8C2, P means 1 by 2 power 2. Q is what? 1 by 2, 8 minus 2 is 6. Okay. Now, therefore, this is the required result. If you wish, you can simplify things, but this is it. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So, see you guys in next session of MathFlix.